How much heat did you put into this material? How long did it take to make this weld? What did it cost? My name is Michael, and I'm going to tell you about our MigaLog function. Are you welding with some of the modified arc modes? It could be the software-based welding programs, and then it can be very difficult to calculate the heat input into the material. Or are you making an offer for a customer? That means you have to calculate how much time it takes to make a given task. You need to find out the gas price and so on. So it can be very difficult to predict the exact cost price. MigaLog does all these things for you. Let me show you how. Let me show you how to find our MigaLog function. You go into our menu, you scroll down until you can find MigaLog function, and then you have different opportunities. You have the opportunity to put an SD card into the machine, and then you can log all data you need. That means you can take them out, put them into a computer if that's what you want, so you can see if the amps is okay compared to maybe a WBPS, welding procedure specification. So in this case we don't need that. I have just made a weld, 100 millimeters, and I want to find out, okay, what is my heat input into my material? You go into the MigaLog function here, and then the machine has saved all data from the last weld. I put in my millimeters of the length of the plate or the weld, 100 millimeters, accept it, and then it calculates my heat input up here. And then you can see if it's too high or if it's too low. Everything is in here, so also if you have to make a calculation for a company, you have given an order, and then you need to find out, okay, how much time does it take to make a given order, or how much gas do I need, how much wire do I have to use. So all data is in the machine. If you want to make a calculation, the easiest way to do it is to use this trip function. Then you can make a weld, it could be 100 millimeter, and then you can see the arc time, you can see the wire, how much wire did you use, and the gas consumption. And then you can calculate your task to your customer. If you're welding with modified arc types, you can go into this, and then you can go down to choose your type of arc energy. That means you have the opportunity to make instantaneous, which are used for especially the modified arc types. If that's what we want, then we have a different types of calculation. So it measures much faster compared to the average way of doing it. If you don't want that, you can just take the old way of doing it, and then it calculates automatically. Your choice. I'll just go to the instantaneous, go back, and then we're back to the menu. That was our MigaLog function. Thank you for watching.